So hello everyone, let's talk about our next question. So this question has been asked in the AIIMS May session 2011. So here the question is BRCA1 gene is located on. So options are chromosome 13, chromosome 11, chromosome 17 and chromosome 22. Okay. Although they are basically asking about the chromosome numbers, but these are the very commonly asked chromosome numbers and which you should have always answered just seeing the BRCA1 gene, right? It's a chromosome 17. So chromosome 17 is the area where the BRCA1 gene is basically located. It's basically the long arm of the chromosome. So your BRCA1, that is basically your tumor suppressor gene, right? It basically plays a significant role in the cell cycle, control your DNA repair, specifically the homologous recombination repair, and your transcriptional regulation in that case. So these are the important role of the BRCA1 gene. So in case of there is a mutation, mainly due to autosomal dominant inheritance pattern, these are the one where there is association of the breast cancer could be seen, especially your early onset breast cancer. And regarding the molecular subtype, we can call it as a triple negative subtype, which is very much common and associated with a very, very bad prognosis with the early onset cases. It also associated with the ovarian cancer, your prostate cancer, as well as the fallopian tube and the peritoneal cancer in the woman as well, right? So let's try to look into the other option. It starts with the chromosome 13. Yes, chromosome 13 is the area where the BRCA2 gene is basically located, same in the long arm. So here, the mutation of the BRCA2 associated with a breast cancer or ovarian cancer, yes, but specifically the special mention regarding the male breast cancer, pancreatic cancer, and the melanoma. So these three are the important mentions. So there may be a future question that can be asked from here as well. So keep that in your mind. Now your chromosome 11. Now this chromosome 11 is the area where the Wilms tumor, WT1 gene and the HRAS gene is basically located. So it's a basically again the tumor suppressor gene, right? And your chromosome 22, which is the area for the neurofibromatosis 2, type 2 gene that is associated with the chromosome. So here is the another brain teaser for you guys. So there is a preventing the cancer before it appears, right? So obviously, how do we know that this patient is going to develop some cancer? Yes, there is a hereditary breast ovary syndrome that is there. So they are the one who are basically hereditary linked with some cancer risk. So it is most commonly associated with BRCA1 mutation. Now, there is some surgeries there which dramatically reduce the further cancer risk in such patient. So you have to understand or you have to tell me what is the role, exactly what role the prophylactic surgery basically serves in case of hereditary breast ovary cancer syndrome. Let me know in the comment below, and whoever else is going to answer fast will get some exciting gift from our side. 22 in here. So here your answer is going to be simple, BRCA1 gene, right?